ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
I, K. Lakshman Rao, am signing in. The talk is about G20 in nutshell. G20 was formed on 26 September 1999. It is a group of 20 countries. The aim is to achieve economic cooperation and financial stability worldwide. Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Republic of Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom, United States of America, and the European Union. Every year, the presidency changes. Recently, the baton of presidency was handed over by the President of Indonesia to the Prime Minister of India. This is a great opportunity to India for organizing conferences all over the year by different levels of officials. Modi ji will avail this opportunity to the fullest to ensure effective interaction among all the member countries, leading to successful G20 summit in September 2023. It is planned to conduct 200 conferences, each one at different place in all the states. Trade, education, employment, healthcare, fight against corruption, energy, environment, sustainable development, technology, climate change, etc. sectors will be taken up for discussion. In fact, sessions are invited till 15th December 2022 via mygovernment.in app. I repeat, in fact, sessions are invited till 15th December 2022 from all Indians via mygovernment.in app. The chief coordinator for G20 summit presidency is Mr. Harshavardhan Shringla, former Foreign Secretary and the Ambassador to USA. Andaman is getting ready for preview convention for G20. Member countries of G20 along with the representatives of international organizations like United Nations Organization, International Monetary Fund, World Trade Organization, International Labour Organization will attend this convention. There may be 40 delegates attending the preview convention at Andamans for 2 days in the last week of November. All Indians should be proud for the presidency of G20 being with us this year under the coveted leadership of Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister, who gave the opportunity of suggesting on all the 32 sectors of discussion via mygovernment.in app. I, K. Lakshman Rao, is signing off.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hira Ravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.